Well, hello there, first graders. It's Miss Hess here in the library. Hope you guys had a really good spring break and got a chance to enjoy some of that beautiful weather we had last week. So here we are in April, and April is one of my favorite months of the year for two main reasons. The first reason is that it's spring and that the nature is so beautiful, just like it is now. You see blossoms all over, birds, beautiful weather, flowers, all those things. And then my second reason for loving April so much is it's National Poetry Month. Do you guys like poetry? Most kids do. Most people do. Poetry is just fantastic. And when we talk about poetry, what is that? What are the special features of poetry? I want you to think about that for a minute. So, when we're talking about poetry, we have an expression of feelings or ideas that have kind of like a special style with the words that have like a rhythm to it, right? And sometimes the rhythm involves rhyming. A lot of poetry does rhyme, but not necessarily. Poetry doesn't have to rhyme. Sometimes it has a rhythm all its own, but the words are different how they're laid out usually with poetry. And that's why I really enjoyed it. It's very artistic. So today we're going to do a book. It's from my poetry section in nonfiction. And it's kind of a fun one. It is called Wolf's Coming. And I'm sorry about the reflection right now on the computer, but don't worry, when I open it up, it looks much better. And this is by Joel Kolka. So because we only see his name on the cover of this book, that means he's the author of the poetry and the illustrator, right? And what's kind of fun about this particular story is that this poem, I should say, has an element of suspense in it. Do you guys know what suspense means? Well, I'm kind of looking suspenseful right now. Suspense is like sometimes when you're like reading a book and you don't know what's going to happen and you kind of feel a little bit nervous, or maybe you're watching a movie and it's like there's a lot of action and it's like makes your heart pound a little bit, like, oh, it's going to happen. That's what suspense looks like. So this story has some suspense in it. It's called Wolf's Coming, and you can tell by the cover if there's a wolf and some pigs and little animals, you know that wolves like to eat those kinds of little animals, right? So, that could be suspenseful. Get your heart going. Okay, Wolf's Coming. Here we go. Here's our poem in one book. A distant howl rides the breeze, echoing through all the trees. Ow! Yikes. That rabbit's like, I'm out of here. Hurry, hurry. Don't be slow. Follow me. Come on, let's go. Right? Yikes. A shadowy figure climbs the hill, getting close and closer still. Dum, 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 dum. Raccoon's out of there now. First he was just hiding, and then he's like, wah, I'm out of here. Taking my fishing pole and going home. Faster, faster, take my hand. Run back home like we planned. Boing, 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 boing. Wolf's coming! Shadows lengthen. It's getting late. The wolf is now outside the gate. Quickly, quickly, get inside. Shut the door. Whew, better hide. The moonlight shines on his fangs. Its belly growls with hunger pangs. Yikes! Do you feel the suspense building? Is your heart going a little bit fast? Mine is. Closer, closer, next to me. Pull the shade so he can see. Wolf's coming! Glowing ember eyes appear. Pointed ears strain to hear. Oh boy. Hush now, not a peep. You must be still, like you're asleep. Wolf's here. Look at all those little animals, they're hiding. The front door opens with a creak. The wolf leans in for a peek. Tightly, tightly, shut your eyes. With all your might, yell. ... Remember that ellipsis? Pause. With all your might, yell. Surprise! Woohoo! Whee! Did I surprise you? It surprised me. I didn't see that coming. Laughing, laughing, so much fun. Cake and pizza for everyone. Woohoo! Happy birthday, Wolf! How about that suspenseful book? Makes you nervous and then all of a sudden, whoop, it ends with a happy ending. Nobody gets eaten. That's my favorite kind of story. Did you enjoy that poetry book? Hope you did. I sure did. And that one definitely had the element of rhyming. And we have that rhythm, those words rhyming. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did doing this. All right, you guys, you have a good week, and I'll see you soon with a new story. Bye, guys.